Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about how to register Handshake. We all know that Handshake and Outlier, they are like people are really is what is trending right now. Let's just say that is what is trending right now, and we all know that it is not accessible in Nigeria. So you need to look for someone in US or UK to help you to open both the Outlier and Handshake. If you watch my previous video, I talk about on how you can register Outlier, the process and everything. So you can go back to the video if you want to register Outlier. So today we are going to talk on how to go about the registration on Handshake. So on Handshake, you can see you can earn up to $30 per hour. So it's not depend on how many hours that you want to use. You can see the associated bachelor, remote job, part-time and everything. So you can actually click on this. Let me just click on this page. So you listing, let's just open it. But,
Hi, my name is Lucy.
but I don't want this video to be very long. I will need to cut it.
Handshake AI.
So you can watch it to know how it goes. So let me just go straight to the point. You can read more. You can see the qualification here. Bachelor, master degree, blah blah blah. So you can actually go through all this. You can see the step: sign up and create your account, verify your identity, join the onboarding, then start work. So now we just click on sign up now, since you don't have account. So we need to create account. Mind you, this is not accessible in Nigeria. I'm actually using US Prosy to access this website. So if you don't want Prosy, you don't want VPN, you cannot access this website. And mind you, you should not use Prosy or VPN to create the account. I'm just doing this for the purpose of this video, just to let you know how to go about the registration. So if you want to get account, just make sure that you have someone in US or UK to help you to open the account. So this video is just an illustration on how to go about the registration. So let's wait for it to load. So it's going to open up like this. You can just sign in with your email address. Just pick any of your email. Let me just wait. So I'm going to continue with this. So let's wait for it to take us to another. So you can choose any. This is where the trick. If you are opening from Nigeria, I don't know. Let's just pick any university here. So I'm just going to pick anyone. Let me just pick this American Baptist, just to take us to the next step. So that's the reason why you need someone in abroad to help you to open the account. So let's continue. Or we can skip for now. I think we are going to skip because they say that images from your school, contact the career development center if you have any question. Let me just skip this. Let's see if it's going to take us to. So now you need US number. So let me get my US number so that it will take us to the next step. Don't forget, this video is just for educational purpose, just for illustration on how to go about it. If you got value from this video, don't forget to like, comment and share to your loved one. Follow this page, I beg, follow this page for more educational content. So I'm going to put my US number, then I'm going to continue with it just to take us to another step. So I've input my US number. So let's click on verify. I'm going to send verification code to your US number. So let me get the code. So this is the verification code. So let's wait for it. So it has verified. So now confirm work. So we are going to select yes. Then so this is what they ask. Let's just pick, let's see what is it. Let's pick let's click on next. So this is where you are going to upload your CV or your resume. You will have get that ready. So I'm just going to click on the choose file. I've already have this. Let me click on. So you will have converted to PDF. This is the one I want to use. Then I've choose it. Then which field? So which field? My own is education. Then which sub background? Education. Then what is your current role? I'll just go for administrative service management. I'm coming. Let me click on this first to see if we have coming. Let me just click on education. Just pick based on what you write on your CV. What school do you attend? Does this necessary? Which one do we choose that time? Don't forget to. I think is okay. I think it's American Baptist we choose the other time. So this place you are going to link your LinkedIn, or like you copy your LinkedIn link. So you are going to link it together, but I don't have it here now. But I don't know if it's going to go. Let me just click on next. You see, we need LinkedIn. So this is my LinkedIn. I'm going to copy the link. For the purpose of this video, I don't really set up my LinkedIn like that. I've not put any experience and all, but since I'm not going to use the account, this is just for the educational purpose, just for you to know how to do it. So in your own case, make sure that what you have in your CV is going to be on your LinkedIn. You understand? So you can just come to this add education school. Then I think I choose by American Baptist. So I've had the school. Let me just go back. I don't want this video to be very long. Let me just paste the link. That is what they need. But in your own case, make sure that you set up your LinkedIn account so that everything will be in line together. So let me just click on next so that it will take us to another step. So now it's loading. So you asked me to download the app. It's because I'm actually doing the registration on my phone. So now you can see we are on the dashboard. You can see we are on the dashboard right now. So we are finding a project for you while you wait. Complete those steps for you to be ready. So now we are going to verify your ID card. This is where you need US ID card, either driving license or so. That's the reason why you cannot register this in Nigeria, because you can't use your Nigerian ID card to verify this account. So now this is just the step on how to register Handshake. Just take your time to follow the step. It's very simple. So you can see that we are in the dashboard. The only thing that left is to verify ID card. So if I click on this verify your identity now, it's going to say that I should submit my ID card, which I cannot use my Nigeria ID card to verify it. So this will be the end of this video. If you know that you got value from this video, make sure that you follow, like and comment, share to your loved one. So this thing, you can actually do it on phone and you can do it on PC. It's very simple, straightforward. So thank you. See you in the next video.